Hi, this is me again. I am here underneath this beautiful canopy of this beautiful grapefruit tree. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to open up a little bit the canopy of the tree all the way on the top. Here the bottom looks pretty good. In fruit tree, we don't want to remove too many branches because most of the branches in a fruit tree is a potential to produce flowers and to produce fruit, right? Because that's the idea. I want to climb this tree a little bit in here, and then my technician in here is going to show in here. This I'm going to remove this socket from here, and at the same time I'm going to open up this canopy in here. Something like so. Then I'm going to pull it out this way. You can see the branch. Then I'm going to cut this oil socket in here. Plus also I'm going to remove this. So I'm going to remove this oil in here to open up a little bit this branch. And then I'm going to open this oil in here. Let me get the right angle. And that will be, I will cut the one with my left hand. I am right-handed, but this I can deal with my, I can do it with my left also. So we remove that one. Beautiful. And then one more I would like to remove in here. Let me get the right angle right here using my left hand. Right, one more in here. I am opening up this one a little bit more in here by doing this. Now with my right hand. And then I will remove some of this dead material. Beautiful. Then in here, you don't see this kind of artwork in many of your countries, but here in Costa Rica, not too many, but in here you're lucky that we're here in California where we do this kind of work. And many of the people like to have the fruit trees and the ornamental trees looking nice and natural, and that's what I'm doing here. This is what I'm doing in here. And then also make these trees to be healthy and to produce the most. All this organic. Open up a little bit these branches in here, cut the dead material. All right. Opa, ow. Then in here, I believe that I'm going to cut this packet in here also. This one I don't like it. Going down, and then I will pull out this sucker, this oil one. This oil one has a little bit of fruit in there, but it's okay. And you can see where the trees open up in here, the canopy now. More sunlight coming through. More fruits are going to be growing in the future. Branch like this, we can cut it. See in here, a branch like this. We can cut it in here, leave the fruit in there, open it up a little bit. This is a little bit too thick in here. So we are going to cut this one in here. And then in here, I will cut this one also, somewhere in here, and leave some of the fruit in there. Perfecto. Perfecto mundo.
Are these crossing branches right here? Are those crossing branches?
This is crossing branch, but we can see here if it's a crossing branch, if it have fruits. For now, we are going to leave in there, but this sucker in here, we can cut the one in here. It's crossing in there. Some of these branches crossing, and sometimes because they have too many fruit, the fruit have weight, and the weight make the branches to hang down, and then that will be, some of the branches will be crossing on the other one, but that is okay. Once the fruit is harvested, branches usually go back to the normal position or the original position. All this in here is all these branches in here are very tight, but the branches are full of fruit, so we don't want to remove the fruits. So then we leave it in here. Beautiful, beautiful tree in here. Look at all these branches that we cut, but if we look up or if we look from the side, we don't notice that too many branches have been cut, like I cut it in here. We cut this one in here. I think somebody sitting in there. There's a guy sitting in there. Invisible. We just see the hat. We cannot see the body. Then we can cut this other one here to open up a little bit in here. This sucker in here should have been cut, but I'm going to cut it now. This one, we don't need it in there. Perfect. And then we open that. We open the branch in here also. Beautiful. And then now we are going to leave this in here for the next time. This one is a little bit heavy in here, so I will cut that one right there. And this one is a little bit heavy in there, so I will cut this one here, open up a little bit of branch. Okay. We cut this over in here. Okay, so now you can see where the branches open up. Beautiful. And that for today, that's what we're going to do in this beautiful grapefruit tree. As you can see, it's a little more open. It's a little more open in there. See here, a little more open. Up there, more air is coming, and you see all the branches that I cut, but still you see that the tree looks full of branches still. That is the secret of pruning ornamental trees or pruning fruit trees. Remember, when you do pruning in fruit trees, remember, don't cut too many branches. Allow the branches in the fruit trees is a potential to have fruit. So remember that. I hope I can help you with your trees in your house. Do the right thing, and you're going to have beautiful trees and a lot of fruit. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Shaka boom boom, shaka boom boom boom, shaka boom, shaka boom boom, shaka boom.